1. Wuthering Waves. So developer, Kuro Games. Release date, May 22, 2024. Platforms, Android, iOS, Windows. Description: set in a post-apocalyptic world, this action RPG offers fast-paced combat and exploration. Players awaken as the amnesiac rover, navigating a world filled with mysterious creatures called tacet discords. 2. Infinity Nikki. Developer, Paper Games. Release date, December 5th, 2024. Platforms, Android, iOS, PlayStation 5, Windows. Description: a unique blend of dress-up mechanics and open-world adventure. Players control Nikki and her feline companion, Momo, using various outfits to solve puzzles and explore the fantasy world of Miraland. E3. Ark Ultimate Mobile Edition. Developer, Studio Wildcard. Release date, December 18, 2024. Platform, Android. Description: an enhanced mobile version of the popular survival game, featuring the main island and all 5 expansions. Players can tame dinosaurs, build shelters, and survive in a vast open world. Come. 4. Tomorrow, MMO Nuclear Quest. Developer, Mad Pixel. Release date, November 12, 2024. Platform, Android. A post-apocalyptic survival MMO set in 2061. Players explore a radioactive world, gather resources, craft items, and interact with others in a vast open environment. 5. Japan Postman Moto Simulator. Developer, CHI Games. Release date, April 30th, 2024. Platform, Android. Description: experience the life of a postal worker in Nagasaki. Deliver mail, navigate realistic cityscapes, and enjoy a relaxing open-world simulation with detailed environments. These games offer diverse experiences, from action-packed adventures to serene simulations, catering to various gaming preferences.